Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker JBL Charge 6 using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here in the first line we have a name. So you need to tap on it and write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, you need to click Done to save this new name, and now you can go back or hide the settings. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!